Hello guys, Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $50 per hour on YouTube without making any videos. So this is going to be step-by-step tutorial, so make sure to watch this video till end. And also guys, what I'm going to show you guys in this video is first of all, how these channels are making money. So I'm going to show you guys examples of the channels that are doing this method and they're making a lot of money from this method. Second thing is I'm going to show you guys how to monetize this type of videos, because you can't monetize them with AdSense. So that means you can't run ads on these videos, so no ad revenue. So I want to show you guys the second way how you can monetize these videos. And also I'm going to show you guys the third thing is how to do these videos in 1 hour per day. So you only need 1 hour per day to work on this method. So that is basically 1 hour work per day just to create these videos and to monetize them. So make sure to watch these videos because I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it. And also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's talk about what type of videos we're going to do. So right here, if you go on YouTube and type in top 10 gadgets, for example, and you press search, you're going to see these videos that has literally millions of views. You can see this one has 4.5 millions of views, and they didn't even create this video. They just took videos of gadgets, put it out together and upload it on YouTube. You can see this one has 4.8 million views, but it is a little bit older video and you don't need to make, for example, $50 to $100 per day. You don't need a lot of views. You can have few thousand views per day and reach that $100 per day or $50 per day. So you don't need to worry about getting these crazy amounts of views. So if you go and watch these videos, you can see that none of these videos are created by these channel owners. What they did is they took ads for these products and created a compilation of, for example, 10 gadgets and upload them on YouTube. So to show you guys an example of this channel right here, you can go and do your own research, but this channel right here, what they did is they took these ads for the product and they created compilation. But if you want to learn how are they making money, so they are not making money from AdSense, and if you want to create the channel to make money from AdSense from this type of videos, you need to add commentary. So you need to put your own voice in this type of videos. But how are they actually monetizing these videos? If you go in the description, you can see these Amazon links are not actually just some random links. These are affiliate links for each product. And usually they took this type of ads for the product from Amazon. So what you can do is you can go and click on this Amazon affiliate link, and you can see that if someone buys this product right now through this affiliate link, and this product costs $1,400, the owner of affiliate link is going to earn around 7% commission for this order. So that means for each buy of this laptop through their affiliate link, they're going to earn almost $100. So this is really crazy, guys, because they're not actually doing anything. And if you go and click right here on video, you can see that this video is actually a promotional video that is from this YouTube channel. So right here. So that means that they just took this video, promotional video or ad, you can call it however you want to, and they created a compilation. You can see this is exactly the same video. So they just took it out and put it on their YouTube channel. But usually you can't monetize these type of videos. You can see right here You can't monetize them with AdSense because they usually have copyrighted sound. So you can see right here, this video is claimed. So anything they earn from ads on YouTube, basically from YouTube AdSense, this company is going to take the ad revenue. But you can monetize these videos, as I said, through these affiliate links and earn way more money than from ads. So right here, as I said, if they buy this product, you would earn around $100 per sale. So imagine how many people bought the product. You can see this video has 244,000 views, and that is actually a lot of views for this method. But imagine if you get like 10,000 views on your video, and few of the people are going to buy the product through your affiliate link, and that way you can earn a lot of money. So you can go and again click on another affiliate link. You can see this one costs $800. So you're going to earn from 5 to 7% on each sale on this, and you can earn around, for example, from $100 to $50. It really depends on the commission on each product that they buy. I'm going to explain you guys that a little bit later. So you can see there is another channel that is doing the same method. You can go and click, for example, 10.
Hey guys,
you can see he entered his voice in this video, so he can actually monetize these videos with ads. So you can see. So he's talking in his videos, and he can actually go and monetize his videos with ads. And you can also see he's making money from AdSense, and second thing, he's making money from Amazon affiliate. So again, here you can see Amazon affiliate links, and that is how he makes his money. So let's go and see how much views these channels are getting. So you can see this Thatch channel that is really big. He actually has 3 million subscribers. He's getting some crazy amounts of views, and again, you don't need this much views to make $100 per day or $200 per day or $50 per day. It really depends on how many people buy the product, not actually how many views you've got. So you don't need these crazy amounts of views. You can see he's getting around 200,000 views every single day. And for this method, this is some crazy amounts of views. So this is really a lot. He's getting around 6 million plus views in the last 30 days, which, as I said, is really a lot. So you can see this channel with few 100,000 subscribers, only 150,000 subscribers. He's getting around 236,000 views, and that is still a lot of views. You can see he's getting around over 10,000 views every single day, and probably he's making way more than $100 per day. So he's making way more than what are we trying to target. So if you're targeting to make $50 per day or $100 per day, you can have a few thousand views, let's say 2,000 views per day, and reach that goal. So if you want to find how you can go and sign up for Amazon affiliate, you don't need anything special. You can just go and search on Google Amazon affiliate program, and you can find this page that looks like this, or you can just go and type in Amazon Associates. So right here you can see how this works. Is when you join this affiliate program, it is 100% free, so you don't need to pay for anything. You can get up and running today, so you don't need to wait for anything crazy. There is some approval process, like 1 day or 2, usually 1 day. And when you get approved, you can choose from millions of products to advertise to your customers. So you can go and take affiliate link for any product on Amazon. Let's say we are going to take iPhone 11 Pro. So we are going to create top 10, for example, iPhone phones or phones on the market right now. So you can see, you can just find the product that you're trying to promote, click on it, and you can take affiliate link for this product and sell it for $1,100. And when you get a sale, you can earn from 5 to 7% commission on this iPhone, and that is how you're going to make your money. So to show you guys, it really depends on which type of product you sell through your affiliate link, because right here we're going to see if you sell, for example, TV devices, you're going to earn 7% commission. If you sell fashion, shoes, jewelry, you can earn 7%, or you can go in promote furniture, home garden for 8%, and digital music and videos for 5%. So it really depends. You can go and do a research on which products are going to get you guys most of the money. But why I'm focusing on these gadgets, because a lot of people are going to search on YouTube like top 10 gadgets or something like that. You can go and search, for example, top 10 laptops. You can also do that method, but usually gadgets get most of views. So that is why I'm focusing on top 10 gadgets and not actually, for example, top 10 laptops or top 10 phones or something like that. So what is really also important is when someone, for example, clicks on your affiliate link. So let's say someone clicks on this affiliate, Amazon affiliate link right here, and they actually don't buy this product. They go, for example, on best sellers and buy some random product. Let's go and click on some random product. So let's go and click, for example, this book. So if someone goes and buys this book actually, and they didn't buy the product that you are promoting, you're still going to earn commission on that. So whatever they buy through your affiliate link, you're going to earn commission on that. And that is really why this method is really great. So whatever they buy through your affiliate link, you can earn, for example, 10% on beauty, fashion, whatever they buy, you're going to get commission. You're going to get credited because you gave Amazon that customer. So that is why I think that this is really great method, and you can see why I think that these channels are making a lot of money, and how you can go and do the same thing like these channels, and you can do, as I said, exactly the same, replicate what are they doing, and that way create some amazing content on YouTube and get some sales on Amazon. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you want to learn how you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can go and create different type of content on your YouTube channel and monetize them with different streams of income, how you can go and grow your channel, as I said, how you can create thumbnails, you can check out my YouTube course. The link will be in the description, and you can watch this video, what is this course about. So if you actually like it, you can go and actually purchase it. So if you want to buy the course, you want to click on this button right here. And for all my YouTube subscribers, I'm providing you guys $40 off your purchase. So right here, if you go and click on add coupon code and you enter 40, click on apply, and you're going to get $40 off your purchase. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure to check out this YouTube course on how you can grow your YouTube channel. And also, if you want to see more videos like this on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online and YouTube, so you don't want to miss them out. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.